Ever feel like you're always comparing yourself to others, wishing you were more like them? What if the secret to being truly happy and making a real difference is simpler than you think, and it's already inside you? Imagine a little black crow sitting on a branch, feeling sad and shedding a tear. He watched a bright parrot showing off, a graceful swan gliding by, and a peacock with the most amazing shimmering feathers. The crow felt so ordinary, so ordinary. He thought, why can't I be as lucky or as beautiful as they are? What am I missing out on? A wise old guide sitting under an ancient tree saw the crow's sadness. They leaned in and shared a secret. Happiness isn't found by copying others, no matter how bright they shine. It's about taking your own brave steps, your own way. The guide then nudged the crow. Want to discover what real happiness means for you? Meet 3 unusual teachers who found it in their own surprising ways. The crow, eager for answers, couldn't resist asking the parrot first, "What makes you so lucky and colorful?" The parrot, preening, replied, "Oh, I love it when everyone cheers for me and admires my bright feathers." "But honestly," he confessed, lowering his voice a little, "it's tiring when they watch me all the time. I wish I could just be me sometimes, without all the eyes." "Your life looks so free, Crow." Intrigued, the crow then turned to the swan. "And you, swan? What's your secret to luck and beauty?" The swan glided serenely. "People love how I look, and I'm grateful for that. But this beauty can feel like a cage. I have to swim when they want, not when I feel the need to rest. My movements are slow, on my own time, but eyes still follow me everywhere, and I can't just pause when I need to." Then the crow approached the peacock, who was displaying his magnificent tail. "And you, peacock? What makes you lucky?" The peacock puffed up. "I love all the praise, but," he admitted, his voice losing a bit of its shine, "I feel like I always have to be showing off. I wish I could just walk at my own pace sometimes like you do. It's nice to be seen by those who care, but this constant need to shine, it can feel like a trap." The crow listened intently, a surprising realization dawning on him. He saw that the parrot, the swan, and the peacock, despite all their outward beauty and the attention they received, were all limited in ways he wasn't. They were bound by what others expected. Suddenly, a quiet understanding settled within him. Happiness isn't about being the flashiest or most popular. It's about being true to yourself and finding your own unique way to help others. The parrot, the swan, and the peacock, sensing his shift, nodded in agreement. "You're the lucky one, Crow," they chimed in. "You choose your own path, you help others, and you don't have the world constantly watching your every move." The crow felt a warmth spread through him. He didn't need to be like them. He just needed to be himself. So back on the hill, the crow began to live this truth. He used his own gentle pace to guide a tired beetle to a safe path. He showed a shy young bird a safer way down from a high branch. He listened to the wind, not to impress, but to help keep his friends safe. He learned that happiness comes from being yourself and doing kind things for others. So think about it. What's one small thing you can do today that truly feels like you? Use your own special strength to help someone else and see what amazing things can happen. If you enjoyed this story, hit that subscribe button on StoryFluence. We've got more inspiring tales coming your way to help you be your best self.